Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fonio grain. First, measure out your desired amount of fonio. For every 1 cup of fonio, you will need 2 cups of water or broth. Place the fonio in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds, gently agitating the grains. This step is crucial for a clean, delicious result. For the stovetop method, combine 1 cup of rinsed fonio with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth in a small saucepan. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for just 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it sit, covered, for another 5 minutes to steam perfectly. If you prefer an even lighter and fluffier texture, steaming is an excellent option. Place your rinsed fonio in a steamer basket or a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth, suspended over a pot of simmering water. Cover the steamer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring gently once halfway through. This method prevents sticking and ensures each tiny grain is perfectly separated. Cooked fonio is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a nutritious side dish, a base for vibrant salads, or incorporate it into hearty stews. Its mild, nutty flavor complements a wide range of ingredients, from roasted vegetables to grilled chicken. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.